to our channel.
So today we're going to be doing the Who Can Make the Most Words challenge. So make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, before the video starts, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you also share and like and subscribe again. And
let's just get started. So the rules of the game are: here are 14 letters, and we're only gonna spin 8 of these. And with all of those 8 different letters, we're going to have to write as many words as possible in 2 minutes. And whoever can do the most words will win this mystery prize.
We don't know what's inside there. I hope it's Robux gift cards.
So all of these words will appear in 3, 2, 1. So now all of the letters have appeared, and now I'm going to spin the wheel 4 times, and Sabina's going to spin the wheel 4 times.
Go on first.
Okay. I really want the letter A because you can make loads of words with that.
Yeah.
E! It was so close to A.
E.
That's still a really good letter.
E is a good
I said it.
No, 3 more.
It's B.
Bebe.
Okay.
Spin again.
Ow. S.
Bebes. Spin last time. My turn.
Okay.
B A.
G.
Debegs.
Stop. Okay,
Right. 4 more. Spin.
B. It's D. Okay, so if it's the letter that we already have, we're going to do the next letter to the right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it.
Okay.
3 more.
B.
It's not but.
It's B.
Can you please stop calling it? It's M. It's M.
M.
Yeah, it's M.
Okay.
Please do not go in the middle. 2 more. Need A.
T.
H.
P.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So
Spin me A.
wait, is it H or P?
H.
Okay.
B. So it's B. D. D. N.
We don't have it.
Okay, we need N.
That's all. That's all.
No,
eight letters.
N instead of N.
Okay, so that is 8 letters.
So 8 is E, B, S, G, D, N, H, N.
So now Sabina's gonna do the timer for 2 minutes, and we're gonna write as many letters as we can, as many words as possible.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay,
Timer.
time is up. Dismiss.
Okay.
Start.
So I'm gonna go first.
Okay, start.
Men. Okay. There you go now.
Bed.
Okay. Jam.
What?
Jam. Go Emma. Okay.
Jean.
Okay. A hen.
Den.
I'm done.
Ben.
What's a Ben?
It's a name.
You can't do names.
Can. How many words do you have left that you haven't crossed out?
3. I have 3 words.
I have 4, which means I am the winner of the prize. Let's open it!
Did you finish your game?
Yeah.
And who is the winner? So, the winner is going to open the mystery box.
Can you see first?
Okay, open it. So we open it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. What is it? Can I see?
Oh yeah.
That's a whole bunch of fidgets there.
Oh my god! Wait,
Oh my god.
look at this one!
Oh my god. Pop it. I love pop it.
Oh my god, look!
Give Alexia one, please.
Look at this one!
What is this? That's a P.
This is a weird cute fidget.
Я вам рад с Алексия.
I got it.
Yeah, Alexia. Look at this. They make so satisfying sounds.
Right, I want to open the heart one. I need to open this.
I'm gonna have to open this one.
I have to open the heart one and I have to play with my fidgets.
Okay, I'm gonna open this one.
Oh, it's so satisfying.
Wait. Okay, let's see.
It's so satisfying when it goes down.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
So satisfying.
Well, take care of it.
Ow! No. Wait, what's this one?
It's a keychain ring.
Can I open it?
Wait, open
Look, look at these fidgets. Look, wait.
Oh, it opens so
What
fast.
about this one?
What's that? Open it.
Oh my god.
That's a weird. This is a weird room. I don't even know what it
Do
is.
that. You squish it. Oh my god. I know.
What is this?
You just have it. You can build different shapes with this.
You pop them out and put them in. I think. I don't know. They have faces on them.
It says infinity cube.
Yeah, like you can't, like you can move
Infinity
it.
cube. It
everywhere.
means it will not end ever
Yeah.
of playing. Yeah.
Oh,
And
play.
this one, I think Alexa will love it.
Yeah.
Okay, I know what
Nah.
it was.
Look at this.
My favorites are the poppets. Like
I know.
you cannot
Wait, let's
deny
open
them.
this one. How do you open it?
They are so.
Oh, there. Wait, look at this. This is like the most best pocket.
There's a fidget spinner poppet. You can even carry it for you.
Wait,
look to school.
Oh,
Wait, 3.
are you allowed
gonna
to take
keep
it to
this.
school?
Yeah, I would love to take this.
Say, oh, let's see. It's rubber band.
During class, you can play with it. So thank you very much for watching this video. And if you want to see more of our future videos, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!